guess this is a good point to start this vlog at any time, right? What is up, my flip-flops? Need for Steve back at it with another video today. So today is December 1st. I'm going to attempt to do the what they call the VEDUC in the YouTube world, which is a vlog every day until Christmas. In my particular case, it's just going to be a video every day until Christmas. Today's video, I just figured I would just kind of start with my, I wouldn't say motovlog setup. I'm backlogged on videos for a little bit of time, but I figured with some new accessories, some 360 and 360 accessories. It's like fucking Hank Hill and his propane accessories here. Again, I don't know what to expect, but I figured I would, it's not down, just kind of, you know, give you an idea of what is going on. So right now I am recording in 4K, 5.7K in the 360 camera. There's a GPS feature that attaches to your phone that'll show you kind of how fast you're going and that kind of stuff, the routes. I don't know what to expect out of it, so I'm curious about trying it. So I thought I would just give it a whirl here. On my way to Best Buy to return a DJI Osmos 3 Action. As you can see, I have a Insta360 X3. It's been great. I've had it for about a month and a half, shot some good stuff. I'm still editing through it, and you know, so taking some time. Dropped it twice already. So see here, they've got these like protective caps on it. Again, that's because I'm fucking clumsy and I like to drop my cameras. So you can see here, I've got my 360 GO 2 that's pointing back at me with a nice aero grade aluminum from China. Bought it off Amazon. Just wanted that piece, so I sent the rest of it back, because that's what every American does. Son of a bitch. So finally got my refund back from my Insta 360 One RS that I had, the twin edition. That video will probably be coming out early January 2023. Videos every day until Christmas is going to be a compromise of mainly just kind of testing out all of these cameras prior to getting this set up to where I'm currently at, so just bear with me. I've taken a major hiatus off posting YouTube content. I'm currently on the big board Grom, so just be aware that I'll have a video coming out without it probably next week, maybe Saturday, I don't know. It just, again, most of it is just content that I already have that I'm trying to clear off of my computer, because 360 files take up a lot of space. As you can see, I got a the X3 that is my primary camera with a top speed run. Look at. There we go. Can't we do it? So that was to like 65. So I'm curious to see what this will show on the SSX. Sorry, the X3. Yeah, I'm retarded. Give me a break. Again, I'm just kind of curious, but a lot of the videos that you'll be seeing is my Curing Pandemic Boredom series. It's just basically a video of just us, me and my brother, knocking down Lime scooters. Like, we literally filmed an entire summer. That's all we did. We'd go out every night, go like knock down like, you know, 2-3 scooters a night and film it, and that's what you got. If you're not into that content, you're going to be extremely disappointed, because that's what That's what a majority of the VEDUC videos are going to be. Again, you'll get some occasional other stuff that you may have seen every now and again. It's not supposed to be an entirely in-depth series. It's just kind of a good reason to clear shit off your computer hard drive, right? Probably, I don't know, you might be able to hear those pops, but yeah, I've changed a lot of things on this like over the last 12 months. It's an entirely different machine, and essentially I'm hoping to get a video out on Christmas of how much I spent on my Grom, but let's be honest, it's probably not going to be done because, you know, I don't ever get shit done on time. So, but again, it's just mostly me on the Grom knocking over scooters. There's a couple of videos, some feel-good ones. There's like one helping a baby bird that was trapped, so kind of be look out for that. But it's just a variety of random things. You'll get like a 10-minute video at the end of the week. We extend the VEDUC series video every day until it's empty. So it's again mainly just all the scooter shits. Yeah, I got a whole lot of new stuff. There's a video. It's like big boring the Grom. If you haven't noticed, I have picked up a big bore kit for this thing, so it will do a good 75 on the highway with no issues. Got a nice D-Sport display that kind of keeps it. It's like an engine management. So there's just extra gauges that tell me if I should be worried if this thing's gonna blow up. But the big bore kit has about 1,500 miles on it already, so yeah, it's been pretty ecstatic. I'm pretty excited about that. Made a video in the past. I'm like, is it worth upgrading to stage 2, stage 3? In all honesty, I would just skip the other videos the other stages. If you want a fast Grom, either give it an engine swap to like a CBR 250 or a 300, or go with a big bore kit. Already spent the money on a 5-speed transmission for this thing, so I'm like, well, the next step in the progression is doing a big bore kit. So it's got a nice solid Koso 170 on it, all the supporting mods. It cost me quite a bit of money, so go figure, right? That's what Groms are. They're kind of expensive. I'm hoping this isn't a boring series, but maybe it is, maybe it's not. I haven't really gone anywhere, but I'm curious to see how the hell do you call it? The GPS does on this thing. Again, I don't know what to expect. I honk, you honk. No, you honk, I honk. Can we all honk? As I say, it's like ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Woo! Right. Well, that's just another reason to get out on the Grom, enjoy. It's relatively nice weather. It was like 56 today, so about the warmest it's been all week. But like our second sub-zero trouble, below zero. Well, no, it was like 8 degrees, like single digits. It'd be below zero in Celsius, which part of me wishes that America would get on board with like the metric system instead of like miles, pounds, kilometer, or miles, pounds, gallons. It's weird. Like money I could see having, we should just measure everything in freedom units, right? Right now I'm going 53 freedom units. It's just overly complicated. I'm like, nothing matches up, whereas like kilometers, it's like tens, hundreds, thousands, 100,000s. Just easy math. That's a little chilly out. Activate heat gloves. So yeah, you got this whole schmeal going on. As you can see here, I have a Pack-Talk Bold. Finally got rid of all my Sena shit. Done with Sena, I'll never go back. It's Cardo or nothing. I'm like, this thing is fucking awesome. And I talk about that in some of the videos, so just be on the lookout for that. What else to tell you? I mean, I just kind of, it's winter time. Well, it's late fall. It's not going to get winter, but it tis the season for gift giving and joy. So if this is the actual only vlog that you see before Christmas time, you know, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Feliz Navidad, Happy Kwanzaa. So, you know, just kind of a good opportunity to go spend time with all your mates, your friends, your loved ones, your animals, your fish, dogs, cats, parrots, whoever brings you joy during the holiday season. I applaud you for it. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Like I said, well, that was a dick move. Don't do that during the holidays. I gotta buy a bigger memory card for the X3 here. X3. So yeah. Again, don't do what I did and run the red light. I was yellow. I was yellow when I went through it. Hoping the camera gets the pops. I don't know if it will, but that's really just kind of what I've been up to. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos every day until Christmas. VEDUC. Vlogs every day until Christmas. My setup is way better than what it used to be. The only nice thing about Sena is it was like user friendly. Like you could record other conversations, get okay video. And it didn't take up a whole lot of space on your hard drive. You sacrifice that with quality, right? And like I've been looking over over like the scooter shit, and I'm like that their 2K high def video fucking sucks compared to this stuff. 1080p on the 360 GO is much better than the Sena. Then you get like kind of a front view of everything that I see you see. Yeah, you can see like this is in Celsius, so it's 94 degrees Celsius. I was told by the guy that did all of the engine work on this thing, as if it's like 120, you're in serious trouble. So, but it'll fluctuate. I'll go over a video of like all the mods and how much it cost me. It's cost me quite a bit of money, so be on the lookout for that sometime next year, I would believe. At the current rate I'm going. I'm not gonna try to upload a video once a week after I'm done with all the scooter shits. Been thoroughly enjoying filming things in 360 here. Just trying to get back into it. Making shitty content. That's kind of what I'm known for. I mean, sometimes you'll see like cool shit, sometimes you won't. We got the camera gear, the motorcycle. I kind of like pretend I know what I'm talking about. Most of the time I don't. Skirt, skirt. Other than that, I'm just riding, gromming. Just gromming a what's the term? Like a mood? Gromming? Yeah. Now we're cooking! Not like Russell Wilson cooking. That guy's a worthless fucking quarterback. Have you watched the foosball? If you don't watch the foosball, then you don't understand. But Denver, the Denver Broncos gave away all their good draft picks for a washed-up quarterback. As guy makes $250 million over his contract, and so far he has more bathrooms in his house than he does for touchdowns for the season. In reference, he has 12 bathrooms in his house. And he's only got 7 touchdowns of the season. So he's on par to get a touchdown for every bathroom in his house. Which for somebody that makes, over the span of his contract with Denver, $244 million, it's fucking pathetic. I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm almost to my destination. Alright guys, we survived. So hopefully the GPS recorded some stuff. I'm hoping it did. So yeah, I think I'm going to end it here. I appreciate you guys watching. I am Steve on the Grom. I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, don't end it here. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve on the 2020 Big Bore Kit Grom. I will see you guys next year, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Bye.